you help? Here, come here. No, come on. All right, girls, come on.
I'm sleeping here.
You're sleeping here. You can mix this one. Here. Go sit down. Here. Oh, can we get more of this? More of this one? Do you remember I made it?
Yeah. Do you want me to get more marshmallows too?
Having fun? Say hi,
Ah,
well, wait a
everything.
minute.
You want to sleep here with us?
What is it? Here?
Hi, family. Do you want to sleep here with us? Yes.
You're gonna spend the night here? Are you sure?
We're all of them like here. You are too.
I am too? I don't think so. Not me. You can do it with Yo-Yo.
No.
Hey,
Even I'm with you two. Yo-Yo is gonna be here, and Daddy and Mama.
Oh, yeah?
Because no way they're going inside.
Ito na order lang.
How do you put this in?
Huh?
Where should we put it? Is it below the order?
I guess it's okay. For now, it's okay.
And Mama, I like that.
You like?
Yeah, I like it.
Look, I'm using this one now.
I like that. I have
Mm.
one.
Wipe your mouth, man.
You like? It's okay. Mm. So you like this?
Should we do this every day?
Sure.
Every day.
Are you gonna listen?
We will.
If you listen, I'm gonna be every day.
So now you excited?
Someone's thinking. Oh, I got an idea.
Say hi, family.
Hi, family.
Oh, the baby's saying it's gonna go. But we're
Mama,
having camping
Mama,
today.
I got an idea.
You got an idea? What idea do you have?
How about we make this for Santa?
We
Christmas.
make it for Santa? Oh, nice. You think Santa will like it?
Mama, you can sit on the
Sit, Grace, no.
Santa always
You can
eats.
sit there. It's okay.
I told them Nabzi. No.
Mama, you yes, please.
The
Mama,
moon is
get me
out.
water.
It's beautiful
Mama,
here.
get me water. Get me water.
There's water there.
If it's okay.
You can
if
have
it's
some out of my water.
Okay.
Beautiful
Dad,
moon.
you said one without while I was the medicine?
Oh, it
You
doesn't
can
have.
sit
It's
where
just
you were
water.
sitting?
Sure.
Oh, that's so nice of you. Being so kind. Are you having fun?
Oh, I heard a wolf. It said, "Ooh." I heard the howling.
You heard the wolf, really?
Huh?
Do we need to go inside?
I didn't know we had a wolf around here.
We don't
Here.
know
I know.
what.
I've seen
We have
What do you
deer.
think?
And Mama said there's no medicine.
What do you think the wolf?
There's no wolf. I
You
heard
wanna try your hand?
his howling.
There is some.
No, I
Do you
like
want
this
what's
one.
this? You like yell.
Mine is
You like ow! Yummy, fast, yummy. Ow!
Who said that? Was that
Ow!
That was.
Are you howling with the wolves?
No, she's doing the
Yodeling?
No. What's her name? Dove, right?
I'm
Dabba,
not
dabba,
dumb. I'm just Nick.
Okay.
What are you saying, moo? You think the cow?
I say woo. Woo.
Let's see if it comes out. Woo!
Alright. No.
You're like, yeah. I can see you. It's like, yeah.
Listen. Listen.
What
Who
are
wants to
they
hear?
attracting with the yodeling? Whoa.
What are you trying to get? Are you trying to get the deers to come or the?
I'm gonna,
Wolf.
yeah, I'm gonna put the tears on your head. Oh
Anyway.
God.
Who wants to hear a story?
Me.
You sure?
Yes. Yes.
Who wants to hear a story?
Us.
I'm deaf if you want to hear. All right, I'll tell you a story.
Should we get
about-
more Hawi out?
Yes, good effort, Daddy. Captain, by the way. So, I'll tell you a story about.
Keeping.
Ooh, I can tell you a story. Do you want me to tell you a story
How
about?
about quick, quack, moo? Yeah.
No, what about
I watched Quack Moo in my school before.
Really?
Sure. The Christmas one.
I'll tell you the story about Grandpa Moses. You like to hear about that?
Oh, I like to hear that.
Do you want to tell me the story or do you want me to tell you?
Me?
You want to tell us?
Mhm.
You know the whole story? Okay. We're listening.
But I'm gonna tell you about.
Are you telling us about Grandpa Moses?
I'm telling you about Grandpa Snore.
We're done.
Snore. Oh God.
Do you know this? Do you want to tell us the story?
I'm gonna tell you a story. But do you want me to tell a story? I will tell them Mary a story. wore her red dress.
Who?
Mary wore her red dress. Red dress.
Gracie Red.
Purdy wore his green sneakers, green sneakers, green sneakers. Purdy wore his green sneakers all day long.
You know we have to.
Candy wore a yellow sweater, yellow sweater, yellow sweater. Candy
You
wore
want me to
a
get
yellow sweater all day long.
Yeah?
Bad
What
wore
about-
his blue jeans, blue jeans, blue jeans. Bad wore his blue jeans all day long.
Really?
Ryan wore his purple dress. Ryan wore his purple pants. Purple pants, purple pants. Ryan wore his purple
What's she
pants all
getting?
day long.
That's too big. Johanna.
Johanna, we have to cut it. That's too
You
big.
have to cut that. That's too big.
I have to tell her one day.
Yes. That's too big. Probably visit to hire maybe, but
Babe.
it'll take long.
Where you going?
Amanda wore her brown bandana, brown
Ready
bandana,
to
brown
put it on
bandana, Amanda wore her brown bandana all day long.
Oh yeah?
Mumu, you want me to make you one more?
Faith, that's the last one for you, okay?
Okay.
No,
Hey,
she has
why'd
to-
you put marshmallow on my jacket? Sorry. Jeez.
Is that for Dad?
This
Let
one?
me-
That I bought you?
Yeah.
For me.
For you? All for you? I thought you were gonna share. Look at the moon. Is that a full moon or a half moon or is
It
it?
is a food. It is a food.
No, look at it again. I don't think it's full.
I hope it's a food.
It should be
I think it's a food. S'mores are made of chocolate. Wow!
The connection is.
Why
Oh,
is
you
it
know what I need to do?
What?
You're almost down there, friend. All right, sit down.
Hi, everyone.
Think. Oh,
Let me get it out for you.
are you
There's
sure you
stuff,
still want to
okay?
stay here?
Yes, we're gonna sleep here.
All right, girls, go get your blankie then.
Yo-Yo's gonna go inside, so.
No. Nobody's going inside.
We're all staying here.
Yes.
Hmm.
All of us are gonna.
You can stay here with your daddy.
Yep, and
Mama
me and Mommy
Yo-Yo are
can.
going in.
Whoa, 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 whoa. You are gonna stay
There's no
here.
more-
I am.
You are gonna stay here. I'm gonna stay here. My sister's gonna stay here. You're not gonna stay here.
Everybody's gonna stay here.
Sure, because we're
Right.
having camping here.
You're not
Put it
scared.
down.
I'm not scared.
We're good.
I'm scared enough.
I know you're not scared. She
Let's
said,
see.
"I'm
I have
scared."
a huge stick.
Yeah, put it down there.
Is that why you're
Yeah,
not
last
scared?
time
of-
she put it in my
Leave my
hand.
stick alone.
Okay,
Here.
be careful, okay?
Oh my god, this is so
Careful,
sticky.
careful. Don't get it.
Eat it, eat it, eat it.
Look how it got really
This
dark.
is the best.
It was Kunjumikana now. It's only like 10 minutes.
That's mine.
Take it out. Ask Daddy to help you.
I don't need help.
Oh, okay.
Why is it so
Good
sticky?
job.
We need more. We need more.
Captain Philip sa kanya.
Oh, it's still up.
Dahil nakatan.
You think?
For next you will have a good.
Mulai, I used the
There's
lettuce
no
for
crackers,
coffee.
so there's no
Half of
crackers.
it I used already. Focus, yeah.
Okay.
Focus on kanan.
So we'll do this.
But I think
Yeah, put
that's
it in
enough.
between two chocolates, okay?
Should be chicken next time, Abs.
Yeah, we
That's
will.
what I was telling her. We should do like a dinner out here.
I'm gonna get out the other thing.
We did it what we did is we got foil. So we made like steak in a foil pack or chicken in a foil pack. And then
We have
you
that.
can do that with the chicken. It's a little bit harder because that gotta be real cooked. So sometimes it ends up being
What do you do?
that you have to be really careful with it.
No,
But
what do you
we did beef. We cut it up and we made into like beef and potatoes and
Here, we'll have a shot.
vegetable.
We'll have a shot. We know how to do this. Even meat have to stick
I
your
don't
gear.
like this.
Oh, sure. Thank you. Meat in the have to stick your gear. That's how we do it.
But it's gotta be the right type of meat. That's what I'm saying. The chicken and
Let's try style. We'll show you. ولا من غير نبذ قبل خير.
I'll show you. This is our big adventure.
Hey girl. Ready? This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice. Let us rejoice. Let us rejoice. Lomima alti. Iskabeli fesirwa.
Matthias, what?
لتحدثنا
Okay.
Ready, Grace? Your turn. Alright, you lead us now.
Okay.
This is, go ahead.
You have to do my
Faith, Faith. Give them a kiss.
No?
What was that? That's too close.
This is our day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice. Let us rejoice. Let us rejoice.
And be glad.
Okay, be careful. You don't.
I hope we're gonna have a radio.
You are the radio. Lomima alti.
I'm not a radio. I'm just me. It's not funny. It's not funny or it's not it.
Okay.
Quiet.
Let's finish the
This
song.
is the blah blah. We don't say that. Wait, you're distracting us.
So you don't fall asleep.
Oh, we got dark.
Yeah, it's getting dark.
This is the day.
Mama, people get dark.
Let us rejoice. Let us rejoice. Let us rejoice and be glad.
I'm gonna with you.
Lomima alti.